Okay, I'm going to tell you today how I fixed my door latch. This little part. I chiseled it all out around here so that I could try to show you. Okay, you see this flat side right here? It keeps rounding off on the edge. This is the second time I've replaced the whole lock mechanism, and every time they've sent me, I've ordered them online, they sent me this, it comes with this plastic latch. The rest of it works fine. It's this latch. So in the meanwhile, I am using pliers to lock and unlock my door while I'm waiting for a new one to come. This time I decided to try and see if I could fix it. This little nylon spacer and a thumb screw is what I ended up fixing mine with, like so. So my spacer is 5/8 inch long, a 1/2 inch wide, and the hole in the middle is 1/4 of an inch, and it fits perfectly over the little thing that this fits on. All you've got to do is push this on. It fits nice and snug, and then you put this thumb. You've got to drill a hole in it. I'll check and see how high up I made my hole. But anyway, you drill a hole in it, slip it on there, and then tighten up the thumb screw. Make sure you line up the screw in part where it's going to hit the flat. And I've been using it like this for a while. Then turn this, after you tighten it, turn it where this is like this, where you can easily just flip. And you could put something fancy on it. You could put something with a flat end like this one. And maybe a little, I was thinking, a little drawer pull or something to make it look really cute. But if you just want functionality, which is what I wanted, this is the perfect solution. I drilled my hole. The center of my hole was drilled at 1/8 of an inch. And that works perfect for my door. And I'm going to put up a little screenshot. I found the spacer. I just happen to have the spacer because I'm a crafter, so I don't throw away anything in case I can use it. But I found some of these. It's called a nylon spacer, and I found them on the Home Depot website for $1.25. And like I said, you don't have to use a thumb screw. I just happened to have that. I didn't even know what it was called. I had to ask here on YouTube on my community tab, and someone was nice enough to answer me. You could put any kind of screw that's flat. I guess it's a metal screw. You don't want a wood screw. You need something flat to go against that flat part on your mechanism. So I'll show you how mine works. Okay. So we're trying to get the flat of this screw to line up with the flat edge of this metal post. So that's it. You put it on like that, take a pair of pliers, tighten it up, and then it will just lock and unlock. Works great. I hope this little trick works for you, works for me, and I hope you have a good day and you subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.